Good morning, student. Today we see the topic of productive management (TPM). Main objectives of TPM is understanding the concept and philosophy of TPM. There are main 8 pillars of TPM activities: step by step implementation and approach. Then identify and eliminating of total losses and using by TPM tools. It is deployment with autonomous maintenance, kickstart, how to kickstart, then planned maintenance, focus improvement, and educational and training activity to improve the effectiveness of equipment. Then understand the roles of a TPM implementation, organization, the critical success factors. Then we are see the machine failures and many hidden causes of failures. We are not see. First, failure is what we see but is only the tip of the iceberg. Failure, that means visible here, that is visible failure, and it is less visible. Minor machine defects generally unnotified but the cause of the almost all machine failures. For example, machine cracks, deformations, wearing, flaws, vibrations, backlash. It is less visible. It is less visible also. Then, what is total productive maintenance? It is a method to achieve the maximum equipment effectiveness through employee involvement for management plus operators plus maintenance. What is TPM is not maintenance department program, just a workshop or event, a way to eliminate skilled traders, that means maintenance staff and technicals, etc. Making operators and office staff into skilled tradesmen. It is all 4 point is not for TPM. Then TPM principles increases the OEE, that means overall equipment effectiveness. Upgrade operations and maintenance skills, employee involvement through small group activities, and fact-based approach to continuous improvement. Here see the house of TPM provide basically stability or lean transformation. It is the foundation of stability main 3, Heijunka, standardization work and Kaizen. Heijunka involved for just in time. Previous lecture we are see the just in time, JIT. Continuous flow, talk time, that means take time, how much productivity increase for reducing the wastages. Then pull system and flexible workforce. And Kaizen means involved to Jidoka for machine work, autonomability identification and Okayo. Then main house of the goals is highest quality, lowest cost and shortest lead times. And main involvement is we are solving the whole group for stability, for involvement in just in time and Jidoka. Here see the TPM is the paradigmatic shift. First, all attitude. Operator says I can use. Maintenance says I maintain and I fix. What is it? It is wrong. Now TPM attitude is we are maintain. Operators and maintenance are both equally work and says we are maintain this problem solving. Then typical different 8 pillars for reducing the waste is intellect, overproduction, waiting, motion, transportation, inventory, defect and overprocessing. It is the main 8 pillar of reducing the wastage. Why TPM is important? TPM will improve teamwork, skill and flexibility between operators and maintenance staff. It is improve equipment availability, uptime and TPM saves us many. And different goals of TPMs: maximize equipment effectiveness, zero breakdown, zero defect, zero accidents, that means zero waste. And here see the different 8 pillars strategies of TPM, and main foundation of 8 pillars is 5S and visual management. We are also see the previous lecture of 5S, that is 5 Japanese word, Seri Seto Neni, that is 5S work and visual management. And top of the roof is TPM goals: zero defect, zero breakdowns, and zero accident, zero wastages. And we are see the 8 pillars of TPM: autonomous maintenance, plant machines maintenance, focused overall improvement, then early equipment management, quality maintenance, education and training, office TPM, and finally Soliki and health environment. Then benefits of TPM: increase equipment uptime, plant capacity increase, lower maintenance and production cost, lower defects, and enhance job satisfaction. Here see the visual examples of control, the how to control TPM involved for indication direction of adjustment, and lower side say the visual control to improve as of operation. Thank you.